Good morning. Leaving Osieczna today. Another more than 100 kilometers to the south, we go to the third biggest city in Poland, Wrocław, and I will stay there another day tomorrow and then continue. But for now, 160 kilometers in front of me. Getting the bike ready, as you just saw. Yeah, let's go. See you on the road. Look at this, just out of Osieczna. Not bad for the morning. It's all so green. All green. It's Sunday, so a lot of shops are closed, but I found this super small supermarket. Let's see if they have bread. Hello. I have fruit for lunch. Just need some bread. Here we go. If they have. Doesn't look promising.
Co pan szuka?
Bread.
Chleb?
Bread, yeah.
Tam na wprost. Chleb?
Yes.
Tu ma pan chlebek.
I can use this. Bit windy still. That long, nice cycling path beside the highway on the left. I am impressed with the infrastructure in Poland, man. Really nice. And the vastness of the landscape. Small path. Again, that greenness. Lunchtime just outside of a small town there. Forgot the name. Cycling for 2 hours now on good roads like this, as you can see, which is really surprising for Poland, I must admit. Lunch, what do we have? Fish in what is it? Onion, flavored it looks. Bread looks like how do you say? Onion on it. Yeah, let's make a mess. It looks quite good. Not bad. And to top it all off, we have a Mars bar. And to top that one off, we have a Snickers bar. Man, if you cycle so much, you eat a lot, man. Hey, puddles. All right. Can I go?
Dzięki.
Hello. That's a new one. In this forest. It's close to a town, so I think I should have just car roads now. Are we there? The big city of Wrocław. After 100 kilometers and quite warm day, now I have to be on the opposite side of the city. This has big city vibes. A nice bike path. Damn, 100k days, not the best. What is this? On the left is the bridge. Where am I? City center or whatever. Oh, shit. looks like a city center. It's packed. To the left. Too many people on the bridge. Yeah, people are having fun here. They are having fun. Many bridges. Many couples. Some are good. Some are mad. Come on, brother. Almost there, but somehow. Somehow I have to cross the road. I guess that's here. So I'm here and I don't know how to enter. We'll see. Okay. Damn, the other place didn't work out. So I'm here. Okay, this looks better. Room number 1. Oh, here we are. Shit, man. Broken. Fucking hell. Good morning. We are in Wrocław. Gonna get some groceries. It's a nice town actually. So let's walk around. We are in a mall. It's early. Let's go down. city center. A lot of old buildings in the city center, like that huge church. You see those mountains in the back? Those are the mountains of Czech Republic, which means that I go to the Czech Republic today.